Hello friends, welcome to the Digital Alpha. A very warm welcome to all our viewers in this market update. As predicted in our last video, the market momentum was expected to shift after 2 p.m. UTC, and that's exactly what we're witnessing now. There's a visible pullback in the market again. Capitalization has dropped significantly, and top trending tokens are now being dominated by giants like Bitcoin and Ethereum, while many altcoins have lost their value. Ethereum has finally done what we had been anticipating for days. Right now, it's crashing hard, almost as if it's heading towards zero. Although that's unlikely, its current behavior certainly raises concerns. On the other hand, there is still some hope for Bitcoin. Its dominance is rapidly strengthening. As you can see, it's now back at 60.20%, a level we haven't seen in about 3 months. So what's the final hope for BTC? A return to $80,500 before the closing session begins. If it manages to recover to $80,500 or even $81,000, the ongoing market breakdown will primarily affect altcoins, giving BTC a chance to bounce back strongly. But there's more we need to talk about. The tariff war is escalating. Many countries are planning to surrender their retaliatory taxes. Around 50 nations have released a statement declaring they won't impose taxes in response to the ones introduced by the United States. These include major players like India and Taiwan. This clearly reflects that these nations are choosing not to retaliate, even though the United States tariffs remain in effect. With Monday marking the start of the business week in the United States, the market could reveal a new direction. The April 2nd tariff announcement seems to be cooling off, but tomorrow remains critical. Currently, BTC is hovering around $79,000, and many of you are asking, why is the market crashing? The short answer: international tariff tensions and unexpected economic signals. We're now seeing 2 types of tariff zone introduced before April 2nd, and one on that day. Trump's cabinet has vowed to enforce the earlier one no matter what. That uncertainty is shaking global markets. To make things worse, there are even rumors about smartphone prices rising due to component-related tariffs. All of this adds to market panic. Here's some advice: stop wasting time on TikTok and Reels. These bite-sized videos won't help you understand the real issues. Stay focused. If you're a serious trader, keep your eyes on the market. Now, let's talk tokens. XRP. A 2.0 to buy order was successfully completed. XRP is behaving strongly and staying within predicted ranges. BNB. Today's support was around $578, with a high at $584. BNB has dropped significantly since, continuing to fall. We expect continued movement between $530 to $565. Solana. Support and resistance were both at $111. A strong buy happened exactly at that level. No panic here. This is a hold zone. Dogecoin. Resistance was hit at $0.1682, low drop to $0.1524, and if Doge doesn't return to $0.1550, it might fall further to $0.1510. Chainlink. Support is seen at $13.10, with the next level down at $9.80 if pressure continues. SUI token. We shorted SUI around $2.15, expecting a 10 to 15 cent drop, and that's exactly what happened. It's acting as expected. Now, let's circle back to Bitcoin and Ethereum. The current volatility is strong. Just while recording this video, BTC moved by over $500. Expect major fluctuations going into the morning. At the moment, Bitcoin must break past $80,500 to avoid a major crash. If it doesn't, altcoins will suffer more than BTC. A critical resistance lies between $80,500 and $81,000. Looking at the charts, we're seeing bearish candles, the kind that have caused $5,000 to $10,000 dumps in the past. These trends usually last 3 to 4 days. As of now, BTC has already broken below $79,000. The market was showing signs of recovery until 12 p.m. UTC, but recent news and global economic shifts have crushed that momentum. If BTC fails to form a strong 4-hour candle, it could fall further down to $75,000 or even lower. Even the most solid technical analysis can fail in times of market manipulation like this. For now, your most helpful tokens are Solana, Chainlink, and Sui. Let's finish with Ethereum. Due to ongoing panic, some are calling tomorrow Black Monday or even a Black Week. This reminds many of October 19, 1987, when global markets crashed hard. Ethereum has dropped nearly $180 today alone. Our earlier prediction of a drop to $1,500 seems to be coming true. For Ethereum to recover, it needs to break past $1,660 to $1,680. Without that, don't expect a reversal. If we start the day at $1,620, a fall to $15,601,570 is quite likely. In conclusion, with everything happening, only BGB and Sui, which operate on the Ethereum blockchain, remain stable and helpful for now. That's all for this update. Keep your strategy strong, and until closing, happy trading!